Hey everybody, welcome. This is Lesson 10, Dialogue 1, Important Characters, Part 1. Let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, so here we are with Lesson 10, Part 1 characters. We have 飞机, talking about transportation. 票, 飞机票, those two can go together. 坐 is a verb that describes how you take different modes of transportation. You can 坐飞机, you can also 坐汽车. 汽车 is our next important character. 或者 is not a transportation word at all. It's more of a grammar word, indicating an or type of a sentence rather than an or type of question. Anyway, we'll talk about that later. 走 is the last one for means of transportation. For review, always a good idea to review as you go. Review the characters for 我们, 去, 都, and 可以. Okay, let's take a look and see how we write these characters. And today I'm joined by a guest writer. So welcome, Yingyu. Welcome. And we'll start with 飞机. You write 飞机 for us.
Okay.
See, 机 has the wood radical there. Great, 飞机. And we'll clear the stage here. And next is 票, 飞机票, 飞机票都很贵。去中国的飞机票已经现在多少钱呢？现在
单程
票，来回票
，$1000多吧。
$1000多。That's expensive. Costs a lot of money to get us all the way to China. Next up we have 坐. After you buy your ticket, you're going to have to take the plane, and to take a plane, to ride on a plane, it's 坐飞机. Good? Erase that little line. Write it one more time and kind of show the difference between... sometimes it's hard to control the... the pen on the
Once
iPad.
Again.
Yeah. So sometimes this little line, or actually this little line, probably wouldn't cross. And if we had a real pen here, we probably wouldn't cross that line quite that much anyway. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, let me erase that screen. Next up is 汽车. Now, 在中国买汽车怎么样？很贵，比美国贵。
对。
汽车. So it's really expensive to buy a car in China. More expensive even than it is here in the U.S. Let's take a look at 或者. And it's top, bottom, left, right. This one's maybe a little tricky. 或者. And the last one that we have here, 走. We've had 走 as part of other characters before. 对不起的起 has the same component in it that you might remember. Okay, and then last but not least, if we can kind of just really quickly run through these review characters, and you can write these a little smaller for us, just so we can see, since these are review, we kind of know how to write these characters anyway.
Oh, sorry.
Oops, let me clear that stage again. Oops. One more time here. Okay. So we have 我们, and then 去. 去 is pretty easy to do. Then
都.
And last but not least, 可以. So all of these characters, you want to be able to write all of these for our dictation. Practice them over and over again until you can write them all from memory, and we'll see you in class. 上课见。
再见。